So you're here. Ah, why are you not leaving? I made 10 seconds for you to think. So you're not leaving. Leave, 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 leave. Are you challenge me? So you're interested. But the reason why? Ah, you want to become a VTuber. So what VTuber is? Damn, I don't know what VTuber is. Aha, human race has an answer for this. So what is human race again? Nah, it's a prank. Now we will go into the world of humankind. Ah, let's get it on, let's get it on. Sip. Soda.
Darling, Ohayo.
Ohayo.
Darling, Ohayo.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Before I begin, I'd like to ask all of my subscribers and viewers to support her channel, Hera's channel, as she is the one who created this scene.
Darling, Ohayo.
If you don't subscribe, you won't get the latest update. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now or be left behind. Now that I'm awake, I'll continue the journey.
Daddy, Ohayo.
No, that's not what I mean. I began to teach you how to become a VTuber. Before that, I want to know what exactly VTuber is. So, just what I said, I asked human what VTuber is. Do you know VTuber is? Well, then you must be living under a rock. Are you Melowita? She didn't know what VTuber is. Well, I guess that means I'm the one living under a rock then. I failed. Can anyone explain VTuber to me? My phone ringing. Mushi.
It seems you are in a problem, and I want you to know Wordton wants to help you.
Is there something inside Wordton that she meant to say? Wordton. Is Wordton able to answer my question? Okay, I get it down. Wordton, do you know what a VTuber is? Oh, having now understood what a VTuber is, what do I start teaching you about becoming a VTuber on your Android device? Thank you so much for solving my problem, Wordtun. Now let's get back to our main subject. First and foremost, you will require a phone. A phone. If you do not have one, just leave. Leave. Just kidding. But seriously, if you don't have a phone, you should probably invest in one before you continue. Second, you will need a Power Director app. If you don't have already one, download it now. Don't worry, it won't take long to download unless your internet is as slow as a snail. Third, you'll need the Reality app, which you can get from the Play Store. It's free, so don't worry about breaking the bank. Please skip this video if you don't have any of the following. If you don't have any of the following, then what are you even doing here? Go watch something else. After confirming that you met all the requirements, I said, let's move forward. Open your Reality app first, log in into your account, and then make your own avatar. How tall you are, your hair, eyes, nose, beard, and so on. But the most important thing is that you must change the background into green background. You must click this one and record it as the second step after creating your account and choosing an avatar. The last step is to launch the Power Director app. God, I'm so tired of talking. I just want to sit back and watch my presentation already. And maybe grab a cup of coffee while I'm at it.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks.
Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please click one of the options below. These options are subscribe to the button or hit the notification bell and leave me a comment. Or you can just do both and really make my day. Bye! See you next time, and don't forget to bring popcorn.
Deeper, tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know